Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Strengthen linear algebra and probability until you can manipulate matrices and distributions fast. Install Python 3.10 and a virtual environment, then add packages you need. Clone or create a reproducible repo and draft a small experiment plan with a clear metric. Once done, run a tiny baseline model to verify tooling and data pipelines work. Make sure to log results and commit code so you can iterate quickly and avoid redoing setup. You now focus on the heart of work. Translate goals into metrics and an experiment plan. Start with fast prototyping using small data and simple models to find obvious gains. Once you see patterns, scale up experiments with systematic ablations and controlled hyperparameter sweeps. Implement training automation and data validation so experiments run reliably. Integrate checkpoints and reproducible seeds. Make sure to profile hotspots and optimize batch sizes, learning rates, and data loaders to improve. You finish by validating model robustness across splits and conducting thorough error analysis to surface systematic failures. Prepare deployment artifacts. Optimize model size, add inference tests, and package with clear runtime requirements. Once deployed, set monitoring and alerting for drift and regressions, and define rollback criteria. If performance drops or unexpected behavior appears, first reproduce locally with the same seed and data snapshot. Then inspect data pipeline and model checkpoints. This one troubleshooting step often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.